Alright guys, now it's blowing like crazy. We're going about almost like 27, 28 miles an hour wind. It's probably gonna be 35 miles an hour right now. Real life guys, real life. You're talking about, you know, not just a blower blowing this. You're talking about the mother nature. So you're gonna see this spark zooming in. I'm not even using this spark. Still handle extreme condition. Look at this puppy. Look at that. Look at that. Handling. Look at that. Don't wanna crash. Don't wanna crash 1,800 kite. Don't wanna crash. Don't crash. Woo! Extreme guys, extreme. This is extreme condition. See this thing hover? You can see this thing hover around like a bus. Wow, look at that guys. Woo! It's blowing. It's blowing. Yeah. Look at that thing. It's blowing. That's right guys. I'll take care of it. Give me a second. I'll take care of it. Is he okay? I told him not to do that. I told him, wait. This is the first time using this kite. And he's using a 12. I'm using a 7. 12 right now. This thing can go like 60, 70 miles an hour. So, see, this thing can handle the breeze like crazy.